What methods best conduct analysis and reporting for my site? Effectively analyzing and reporting on website performance is vital for informed decision making. Several methods can be employed to achieve this. First, leveraging web analytics tools like Google Analytics offers valuable insights into metrics such as user behavior, conversion rates, and traffic. Regular, comprehensive reporting is equally crucial. Detailed performance reports unveil trends, facilitating goal tracking and progress assessment. There's also heat maps and user behavior analysis tools that can provide visual data on user interactions. Heat maps highlight focal areas and reveal usability concerns. A/B testing is an important approach. It involves comparing different web page versions to make data-driven decisions on optimal elements. Lastly, gathering user feedback and conducting surveys offer qualitative insights, tailoring content and design to user preferences. In summary, using web analytics tools, consistent reporting, heat maps, A/B testing, and user feedback collection are effective methods. Employing these approaches enables insightful performance evaluation, identification of improvement areas, and strategic optimization.